welcome to my 5 days to Christmas, where I'm going to be sharing some really easy, simple recipes which you can make at Christmas or any other weekend really, and they are so easy that you can get the whole family involved, the little kids, or just make it on your own. And I'm going to start with this beautiful and very pretty looking Nutella puff pastry Christmas tree. Let's get baking. Starting with 2 sheets of puff pastry, just very lightly sprinkle some plain flour on a clean work surface. Gently roll one of the pastries out, and once that is done, place it on a baking sheet and then place it on a baking tray. The pastry is on the sheet, just shape it into a nice tree shape, and then I have got some Nutella. The best way to use it on pastry and make it spreadable is to warm it up in a microwave for 20 to 30 seconds, which I've done. Spread it on the tree, and I'll take the second layer of pastry, which I am going to roll out to the similar size as the previous one, and then place it on top of the Nutella sheet, and we'll have this beautiful thick layer of pastry sandwiched with Nutella in between. Just shape it out and cut it into the tree shape and just get rid of all the extra pastry. Slice it into 1 centimeter thick branches all the way through up the tree. That way we're going to have these beautiful twists, which we'll twist one at a time very carefully. Then that way we will have a really nice, lovely looking tree. All done, and I'm going to finish it with a brushing of some egg wash and then place it in a really hot oven at 190°C for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's golden and crispy, we're going to get it out. Finish it with a sprinkling of icing sugar. And here it is. I'm going to dig in. Just gonna break one of these. Oh my god. And this is absolutely super crunchy and full of Nutella. Delicious. Hope you've enjoyed the recipe. Thumbs up, subscribe, and join me again for the next episode of my 5 days to Christmas. Bye for now. Leave your comments.